Hey guys, let's make a fast video on how fast we can change the spring on an ICS CXP APE. We have an Allen key and a pin, so let's try this. We have the spring, place a new one, insert our pin and time.